Guys, this is our room and this is how the washroom looks like. It's pretty nice. It's a good one. 5 out of 5, man. And this is how the room looks like. It's too good. Like the interiors. This is a normal bed. That's like a sofa cum bed. So we're gonna open this up, and there's beautiful painting here. There's sockets on all sides. 1, 2, and there's the coffee table there. There's a socket there also. There's a TV. It's a big TV, and there's a almirah. There's a mirror here, and there's a microwave, water bottles, coffee, and a water heater. Obviously, there's a telephone, and let me show you the view. You can't see the view obviously, but like there's a clothes hanger here, and there's a table to sit and have coffee and drink. So this is basically like a bit of mountain view. So we just liked this. It looked good. So now we're just gonna go and have dinner. So let's go to the restaurant now. Just going to park the car, and you guys can see the way here. So the parking, there was parking near the hotel, but that one, like near the rooms down there, but that one was full. So there's a parking just like around there. So we'll go and park the car there.